You need more strength. You know, we're currently building at the Lovo City, and we're roofing now. The roof members, you have the trusses, and the trusses are heavy. You know, one of those trusses is over 1 ton. Now, men constructed that and kept it. But we need to take that truss or those trusses and put them on the roof. The roof, it's like maybe about 13 or 15 meters. The height we need to go is about 13 or 15 meters. No, none of us, I mean, you just imagine that we wanted to use strength to carry those trusses and put on the building. Imagine the effort we will need to put. First of all, we'll call for a meeting. Who understands that? Then we will all gather, put your hand there, put your hand there, put your hand there. Then we'll start trying to carry. Now, as we're doing that thing, it's dangerous because all of us, I mean, everybody that is doing that, that thing can fall. Just one of them falling on anybody, you will go and spend some days in the orthopedic hospital. Now, that's the way life is. Life is like that heavy material. Your physical strength cannot carry it. Now, that's what a lot of people try to do. Okay, what did we do? We just got a machine. It's called a crane. And when we got the crane, before getting the crane, we had to, first of all, what's the weight of what we want to carry? And we said we must get a crane that can carry much more than that weight. And you need to see when the crane works. One guy who his weight doesn't matter. His height does not matter. His skin complexion does not matter. The only thing that matters is skill on how to operate this machine. He just goes in and sits down. In fact, he can be chewing gum while he's doing what he's doing. And he'll press this and press that. Then the whole machine goes to work. Now you see this machine move and lift this big thing that we've been thinking of how to carry. Who understands that? And carries it just the same way you carry your fork. Lifts it and the thing is dancing, and the guy who is operating it is not sweating. He's not doing nothing. And he just places that thing right there. That machine is called grace. If you want to live your life by physically going to carry those things, brothers and sisters, continue. Continue. Now, if that is the way you live, and I have machines to help me do the things that I do, you would wonder how I do the things that I do. You wonder how I achieve what I achieve. You will say to yourself, to carry this kind of thing, you need 50 years. But someone else comes, having studied how. Okay, you think about it. If life is about carrying those weights, what should you spend your time on? Is it on physically building your strength and learning how to physically carry those things? Or is it on increasing your capacity to both purchase those machines and increasing your knowledge on how to operate it? You should spend your time on the other stuff. Who understands that? There are people who are ignoring all the machines that God gives to us in life. Faith is a currency. Grace is a currency. These are things that God gave to you so that you can do life. You can do life. You're not meant to carry those heavy things. Not that way. Not that way. I tell someone, it's not what you have to do that matters. It's not how much you have to do that matters. It's not the load you're carrying that matters. What matters is how you are carrying it. How are you carrying it?